23 after the hour. It is Money Monday. Tammy Amelkowski making number 3 appearance. How are you?
I'm excellent.
One more, you get to host the show. You know that, right?
I'm ready.
We'll move a 5th chair in over there for you. But of course, Money Monday with our friends at Farmers State Bank. Mortgage rates. Everybody's been hearing about, do the rates go down? Do they go up? Kind of give me a broad update, almost a state of the union of what's happening with mortgages right now before we proceed.
Sure. So in the last 4 years, we've seen rates from in the 2s to in the 7s. It's been a crazy time, right? But it's getting better. And in the last month or 2 months, we've seen them stabilize. They're down in the low 6s. And now we have a great new program where actually if you qualify for it, it's at 4.75%. So that's amazing. What is the sweet
spot? Is there like is it based on your own personal situation, or is there kind of like an overall, if you can get a mortgage at this rate? Because I know you deal with this on the daily basis. Sure. Tell me a little bit about finding that right spot. Then let's talk about this new program.
Sure. So the key to that program is going to be income. It's going to be an income-based program. And we recognize, along with Federal Home Loan Bank, who actually designed this program, that it's hard for home buyers right now. It's hard for any homeowner. The interest rates are up, the price of the houses are up, the cost of homeowners insurance is up, everything is up. And so it's just harder to get into a new home. It's harder for anybody, especially those first-time home buyers, though. So this is a program that's designed to help it more affordable.
Yeah, a little mortgage relief, kind of a brand new program you're rolling out at FSB. Tell me how it all works, and then we'll talk about how you can get in on it.
Sure. So it's called the Mortgage Rate Relief Program, and it's basically designed by the Federal Home Loan Bank of Des Moines. And there's only a limited number of banks who even offer it. So we're very fortunate that we get to be one of those banks. And it's an income-based program. So if you make less than, let's say in Lynn County, about $81,000 household income, you're going to qualify for this. And it's not just for purchases, so it's not just for first-time home buyers. It can be for refinances, it can be for cash-out refinances, and it can be for purchases.
So let's say somebody has a mortgage rate that's like a 7. If they apply, you can refinance it with this program then too?
100%, yes. And I mean, we're going through some of our loans that we've closed that were in the 7s and the high 6s, and we're seeing them drop their payments $150. Like significant. The benefit is significant.
Does this something that you have to be, okay, let me back up. How can you be a part of it? What requirements do you need to be a part of this?
You need to get a mortgage, right? So you need to be either a homeowner or you want to buy a home. Those are the two things. And then it's income-based, so it's household income. So as long as you make less than that household threshold, then you're going to qualify. Obviously, you have to qualify for a mortgage. So if you have poor credit, it's not going to work for you. So you got to qualify for the mortgage itself.
Is this something, Tammy, that's only within your guys' service area? Or let's say somebody was looking to move up north or move down to central or southwest Iowa?
So it's just in Iowa as far as Farmers State Bank for the loans that we do. And we will do a loan in western Iowa. We'll do a loan anywhere. Obviously, we're trying to offer it mostly to our bank customers because we want to really take care of those bank customers. But we do loans everywhere in Iowa, so anybody can get this loan if you're in Iowa.
We just saw Corey do a forecast a little bit ago. I'm not going to put you on the spot, but I do know that you hear things, you read things. Do things look like they're going to improve? Are we going to stay where we are? What's your gut feeling?
Well, I feel like we're going to see a rate cut from the Fed, at least one, more than likely 2, before the end of the year. My projection, which means nothing.
Disclaimer, this is just Tammy's thoughts.
Means nothing.
This isn't the gospel.
I mean, I do see the rates dipping down into the 5s, maybe I'm going to say the 5s, low 5s, maybe by the end of next year.
And it's never where they drop it whole points. It's just like a little fraction of a piece.
It's a quarter. And when you see the Fed meet, that doesn't really mean our rates dropping a quarter. That does not really affect, it's different kind of rates, short-term versus long-term, but it's still an indicator of consumer confidence, which is a good thing.
So to kind of recapitulate, people want to learn about this, they want to be in on it. How do they get information to do just that?
They need to call our bank. 319-730-6990 is directly to our mortgage department or the bank itself.
There you go, just that easy. And then you say, hey, I saw you on TV, I want a free t-shirt.
Done.
Tammy, so good to see you.
Or
a hat or a koozie or a coffee mug.
There you go.
Thank you so much. You want to stick around? We have a keyboard and we got microphones if you want to sing.
I was thinking about giving a whirl.
Well, you stick around. We got